People always ask and DM me questions like, oh, Alex, how do I get a shot like this? Or if I'm in this situation, what type of setting should I use? Or how do I go about this look? And you know what? I know what y'all need. Y'all need me. So I went out and shot courses with all the questions that you guys asked me. So I cover everything, step by step, how I stay booked and busy, how I travel the world for free, how I generated 6 figures with just a camera, like everything. So if you hit the link in the bio, you can be first to know when these courses drop. This isn't like some YouTube University mess where you gotta like know what you don't know in order to learn what you don't know. Like, what? I mean, I'm teaching everything from the basics to the business. So ISO, aperture, shutter speed, natural light, studio light, composition, framing, how to get your first client, like everything. Like, you will be able to watch these courses and grab a camera, practice a little bit, and make some real money. 30+ video modules, easy to digest for you ADHD people, less than like 5 minutes each. And I mean real world applications where we go out into the field and I actually show you and demonstrate how to use the techniques that I'm speaking on. So if you're ready to take it to the next level with your camera, hit that link in my bio and sign up today. You'll be first to know when these courses drop.